Welcome back guys, I'm Vidya, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified of all my new videos. And today let's see how to make this chocolate bouquet. To make this bouquet you will need some chocolates, bamboo skewers, a plain transparent cellophane paper, some tissue papers and some colored cello paper as well, a balloon pump. You will need a clear balloon, sellotape, scissor and a balloon light. You can get these balloon lights in any party shop. So to begin with, I have taken a plastic box and I am going to cover it using a golden tissue paper. You can also go for a sturdy cardboard box. Now I am going to cover this box completely using this tissue paper and I am going to use a sellotape to secure it in place. We are going to cover this box further as well, so it's okay if it is not looking very neat at this point of time. Now I have taken a glittered red tissue paper and I am going to cut small squares approximately 4 by 4 inches. I have cut 7 such squares of tissue paper because I am going to make a bouquet of 7 chocolates. I am then going to take one of these square tissue papers and then I am going to fold it in the center, giving it a slight angle like this. And I am going to do the same for the other 6 cut tissue papers as well. Now I am going to wrap individual chocolate using a plain transparent cello paper and I am going to use a cello tape to secure it. Once all the chocolates are wrapped in this cello paper, I am then going to wrap those folded red colored tissue papers around these chocolates. Those slant folded tissue paper will be wrapped around these chocolates so that it looks like a rose. I am going to use a sellotape to secure these tissue papers wrapped around these chocolates, and once all these chocolates are wrapped by these tissue papers, then I am going to take this bamboo skewer and I am going to cut it to the height of the chocolate box. I am then going to attach these bamboo skewers to the chocolates using a sellotape. Now I am going to switch on the balloon light and I am going to insert it into the clear balloon. It's time to then blow up the balloon and I am going to secure it using the tape to another bamboo skewer. I am then going to cover this bamboo skewer using a tissue paper strip. Now I have taken dry floral foam. You can also take thermocol block and I am going to cut it to the size of the chocolate box. Using glue gun, I am going to stick this dry floral foam into the chocolate box. Now I am going to insert these chocolate flowers into the foam so that we have holes ready before we further decorate this box. Now I have taken a black cello paper and I am going to again cut this paper into 4 by 4 inches square and I am going to diagonally fold it and then make it like a cone, and then I am going to stick these cones around the chocolate box from the inside. Our box will look like this once all the cones are stuck. Now we will insert all these chocolate flowers into the box. We will insert the balloon with the skewer in the center. And that's how our bouquet is looking at the moment. Now I have taken a thick satin ribbon. The thickness of this satin ribbon is almost as the height of our chocolate box, and I am going to attach this ribbon like so that it covers the box completely. I am also going to apply some glue at the sides so that the ribbon doesn't slide down. Now I have cut the satin ribbon pieces approximately to 10 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 20 centimeters. And for each of these satin ribbon pieces, I am going to stick either ends in the center. Now I am going to stick these ribbon pieces one on top of the other to form a beautiful bow. I will then stick this bow on our chocolate box. Now I have taken another piece of the same ribbon and I have formed a small little bow, and I am going to stick this bow to the bottom of the balloon. Now I have this beautiful crystal button. I am going to apply some hot glue and I am going to stick this in the center of the bow. And our gorgeous chocolate bouquet is ready. It is a perfect gift for any occasion. So do try it and let me know in the comments if you like this video. And subscribe for more such videos. I'll see you next time. Bye.